हरे कृष्णा वेलकम आमे लीलामृत आज आम डिस्कशन करिबा ता आगु आमे गोटे प्रभुपाद बर्थ प्लेस देखिबा।
We say that he's Avesh, he's a special person who came from the spiritual world.
So we see that he is an Avesh, a special person, came from the spiritual world.
Lord Chaitanya predicted he would send some Senapati Bhakta
Lord Chaitanya predicted that he would send some Senapati Bhakta
and who would preach in the rest of the world.
who would preach in the rest of the world.
Lord Chaitanya said he preached in the Indian subcontinent,
Lord Chaitanya said he will preach in the Indian subcontinent,
and then the rest of the world was left for Srila Prabhupada.
and then rest of the world was for Srila Prabhupada.
And some people asked Srila Prabhupada, why didn't Lord Chaitanya deliver the whole world?
Some people asked Srila Prabhupada, why didn't Lord Chaitanya deliver the whole world?
He did, but he left the rest of the world for me to do.
Said he did, but he left rest of the world for me to do.
So, but anyway.
हरे कृष्णा वेलकम समस्तଙ୍କୁ। प्रभुपाद कर जो बर्थ प्लेस कोलकाता रे बहुत सारा स्थान रही जो गुड़ा आम दर्शन करिपरिबा। किछि प्लेसेस आम दर्शन करिथिलु एबे आम रिसेंटली जो जाइथिलु कलकत्ता आउ किछि प्लेसेस माने जाई पारि ना किंतु आम माने निश्चय एटलीस्ट वर्चुअली आम से गुड़िक विजिट करिया को ट्राई करिया श्रवण माध्यम रे। प्रभुपाद का लीलामृत देखुचे बहुत सारा प्लेसेस ऑलरेडी प्रभुपाद मेंशन करिछन सत्स्वरूप महाराज जे ऑथर ए बुक रो से मेंशन करिछन। हमें भाग्यवान जे जाहु हम किछि तो प्लेसेस जाई परछे एटलीस्ट। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण। एजेंटी इजोलनेस जयप्रताप महाराज कहते जे प्रभुपाद को जेतल जने शिष्य पचारे जे व्हाई लॉर्ड चैतन्य कहीं मोमेंटा शेष कले से तो भगवान निजे से चाहिए कर पारे कि से कहीं प्रीचिंग मोमेंटा सारा जगत रे स्प्रेड कले। तो प्रभुपाद आंसर देले वेरी हम्बली जे बिकॉज ही वांटेड मी टू डू। प्रभुपाद या करिवे बोली चैतन्य महाप्रभु का इच्छा थिला। तो बेले बेले माने भाभी था कौन कार्य कला बेले जे मते ही कहीं करिया बोलछन आउ कि ना। तो सेठी हिजरलेस राधानाथ महाराज कहती जे डिवोशनल सर्विस इज ए प्रिविलेज। जेतोला हम गोटे डिवोशनल सर्विस मिलुची we should understand this as a privilege because आम पतित आम से भावी था किंतु in an ideal scenario आम सब भाविया कथा जे एटा हला गोटे प्रिविलेज हम मिली आज कृष्ण को सेवा करियार मते मौका मिली। गोटे साधारण ई जगतर भीतर गोटे कंट्री रो गोटे स्टेट ओडिसा रो आमे गवर्नर कर जदि घर देखिबा जे केते ऐश्वर्य केते रोड्स केते गार्डन्स केते माने तांकू ये होच। तो भाबंतु भगवान कर जे माने गोटे पर्सनली सेवा करूची तार केते माने सेही भली भाव न रहितु केते से फॉर्चुनेट सेही फीलिंग था हम रहिया। तो जेतला हम फॉर्चुनेट बोली फील करिया हम वास्तव रे एटा को एक्सपीरियंस कर पर। हम पढ़ुची प्रभुपाद लीलामृत द मैसेंजर ऑफ द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड। तो इंट्रोडक्शन टा खास करी हम चली छी जोठी कि प्रभुपाद को चाइल्डहुड पास्ट टाइम्स अच्छी बहुत सारा तापरे हमें नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पे जीवा। हम पढ़ुथिले अभय गांधी जी को लेटर लिखछन तो से लेटर रे गांधी जी कौन से रिप्लाई देना सेटा हम पढ़िथिले। तापरे हम पढ़िबा while Abhay's involvement in writing and preaching intensified, his business and family affairs dwindled. He felt that a particular word spoken by Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavatam applied to me. When I feel especially merciful towards someone, I gradually take away all his material possessions. His friends and relatives then reject the poverty-stricken and most wretched fellow, leaving him only Krishna. Jasyaham anupinami harishye tadhanam sen. तो ये श्लोकटा प्रभुपाद प्राय एटा मन पकांदी। प्रभुपाद कहते जेतल कृष्ण का स्पेशल मर्सी हुए सेतले कृष्ण ए सब जिनसोडा नेबे। बेले भक्त माने चिंता करते आमर सब पळै जीवन तो भक्ति कले ना ना एटा सेही भली उन्नत स्थिति र लोक मान पई ही। तो एटा कृष्ण सेही पई करथान कारण कृष्ण जगत आगे ता देखियो चाहते जगत आगे आपको देखियो जे देखो ए भक्तर आउ केही नु केवल मु तार आमर सब किछ थाई पारे जे प्रभुदानंद सरस्वती कहउतले जे आमर सब ऑपुलेंस सब प्रकार जिंस थाई पारे किंतु यदि कृष्ण नाही everything is useless. आउ जनक पाखरे केवल कृष्ण अछंती आउ किछि भी ऑपुलेंस ना ताले his life is success. When Abhay's business in Allahabad went deeply into debt, he tried to open a factory in Lucknow. At first it appeared profitable, but eventually it also lost money and had to be closed. Lucknow eventually closed all operations. While continuing to maintain his wife and children in an apartment in Calcutta, Abhay mostly lived away from them. He moved back to Allahabad, but he was putting less and less energy into selling pharmaceutical products. He was more interested in preaching. तो प्रभुपाद एभली तांको फैमिली कलकत्ता थांती हेले भी प्रभुपाद आलाबाद बेस तांको टाइम दियंती प्रचार मन तांको जिनस पत्र ये रे सेलिंग रे किंतु बेसी प्रचार रे समय दे. When a hospital customer in the city of Jhansi invited Abhay for a lecture at Gita Mandir, he gladly accepted. His lecture was well received by the Jhansi audience, which was made up largely of youth. He spent his time writing and approaching donors to whom he preached Bhagavad Gita. His goal was not to find a permanent residence, but to print his transcendental literature and to establish a powerful movement for spreading Krishna consciousness. And for this, he needed money. So he was calling on wealthy men in their offices and homes, presenting his manuscripts and explaining his mission. But only a few responded. And when they did, the donation was usually only 5 or 10 rupees. Eventually, however, he collected enough to print Back to God. तो प्रभुपाद एभली डोनर्स मानक ही अप्रोच करती केमती से कंटिन्यू कर परिबे प्रिंटिंग और प्रीचिंग टा. तो जा भी जाओ किछि अल्प बेसी डोनेशन मिले बेसी मिले अल्प किछि मिले के सेथिरे ही बैक टू गॉड राउथर प्रिंट होबा पे पैसा आछे. Lacking money even to buy proper clothes, Abhay went through the chilly Delhi winter without a jacket. He would regularly walk to the printers to read the latest proof of the Back to Godhead. When the printer asked him why he was intent on producing his newspaper under such hardships, he replied, "It's my mission." He managed to pay the printer small amounts at intervals. जो मिस्टर जेन जो प्रिंटिंग हाउस चलाउथिले तो तांको से जतोड़ पचारथिले प्रभुपाद को जे काहे कि एई भले आपण चलै तो कष्ट करी ना एटा मो मिशन एको कंटिन्यू करिया चाहूछि. तो हाउ पॉजिटिव ही इज. हम देखियो इंटरव्यूटा आपण देखैथिले बडा अथर एटा थिला ये रे योर एवर वेल विशर आपणक नित्य शुभ चिंतक जोटा उड़िया रे अछि. After picking up the copies from the printer, Abhay would walk around the city selling them. He would take a seat at tea stand, and when someone sat beside him, he would ask him to please take a copy of Back to Godhead. Through his articles and editorials, Abhay criticized the materialistic and atheistic tendencies of modern civilization. He also drew on his personal experiences, responding to the resistance, polite and impolite, that he met while selling Back to God. He wrote an article, "No Time, a Chronic Disease of the Common Man." Disease, common man. His writing was never shrill, strident, or fanatical, despite his disparate poverty and urgency of his message. He wrote expecting to find his reader prepared to hear sound philosophy and willing to accept the truth, especially when presented logically, relevantly, and authoritatively. Prabhupada बहुत interesting way लिखନ୍ତି एवं प्रभुपाद पारे सब क्वेश्चन रो आंसर मते थिला प्रभुपाद जदि जन प्रभुपाद से आर्ग्यू करिवो से सब आंसर तार पाई परिबो जार रियली किछ क्वेश्चंस अछि in addition to selling Bhagavad back to Godhead at tea stalls and delivering copies to donors, Abhay also mailed out free copies both within India and abroad. For years, the vast audience of English-speaking readers outside India had concerned him, and he wanted to reach them. Having gathered addresses of libraries, universities, and cultural government outlets outside India, he mailed as many back to Godhead as he could afford. He prepared a letter for his Western readers, suggesting that they should be even more receptive than his own countrymen. Prabhupada dignitaries हो कि Western people मान जो मैं regularly पढ़ुले संग मध्य अर्ज करथले प्रभुपाद जे आपण माने मध्य पढ़ंतु आपण माने बरम बेसी ग्रहण करि पारि काला इंडियंस माने बेले बेले ओल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट में फिलोसफी को धरी बसछन से तो छाडी परत सेने प्रभुपाद वेस्टर्नर्स मन को अर्ज करछन On the home front, Abhay sent copies of Back to Godhead to the President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, along with a letter warning him of the perilous fate that awaits this society conducted by the godless. Please therefore save them from the great fall down. He requested His Excellency at least to glance over the headlines of the enclosed copies of To Godhead. To consider granting the editor an interview. I am crying alone in the wilderness at the present moment, wrote Abhay. His Excellency never replied. तो बहुत थोड़ा प्रॉपर लेटर लिखचंती देखावा पई चाहिचंती किंतु कोनोसी क्षेत्र रे तांको परमिशन टे मिली नाही. Even though the heat of the New Delhi summer and the temperature rose to 114 degrees, Abhay continued to go out daily to sell his fortnightly publication. Once he suffered a heat stroke and reeled in the street until a friend picked him up in his car and took him to a doctor. Another time he was gored by a cow and lay for some time unattended by the roadside. At times like this, he sometimes wondered why he had left home and business and why, since he was now surrendered to Krishna, everything had become so difficult. But years later, when his Krishna consciousness mission was established in many countries with many disciples, he would say, at that time I could not understand, but now I realize all the difficulty were assets. It was all Krishna's mercy. And Prabhupada कितने strong realization. से समय जेतोले दिल्ली रे एते गरम थाए प्रभुपाद जायके बुक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करंती ए जो स्पेशल बैक टू गॉड है तो कितने डिफिकल्ट हुए तो बेले प्रभुपाद भाबन जे कोन मु सब जॉब छाड़ी की ए बेले ए जो प्रचार करूची कोन लाभ हो तो सब किछ और बेसी कष्ट हो जाउछ मो पई ए भली बेहोसे गले प्रभुपाद ए भली माने केयर नहीं पाना बॉडी रो टीचिंग करे बेसी उत्साह तो अच्छी किंतु प्रभुपाद बॉडी सपोर्ट करनी तो ये भली प्रभुपाद कर माने उत्साह गोटे पॉइंट रे ए भली भांगी उठाउ किंतु प्रभुपाद जेतोल माने परे एक कथा रिकलेक्ट करछन्ती भाबुछन्ती तो से समय रे परे प्रभुपाद कोन देखछन्ती प्रभुपाद कहछन जे वास्तव रे एवडा सब मोर एसेट्स ए जो डिफिकल्टी मोर सब हेतला एवडा एसेट्स एवडा वास्तव रे कृष्णकर special krupa. While keeping up with this effort, his effort of printing Back to Godhead in Delhi, Abhay decided to take up residence in Vrindavan, 80 miles south of Delhi. तापर प्रभात बड़ी वृंदावन शिफ्ट हो भावती Gaudiya Vaishnavas consider Vrindavan to be the most sacred spot in the universe because of Lord Krishna's childhood pastimes were held there during his incarnation 5,000 years ago. The chief followers of Lord Chaitanya had gone to Vrindavan 500 years ago, written books, established temples, and located the places of Krishna's many pastimes in the forests, pastures, and along with river banks. तो समस्त गौड़ीय वैष्णव माने एभଳି ଗୋଟେ क्रेज थिला जे वृंदावन जिवे वृंदावन विभिन्न लीला स्थान दर्शन करिवे जोटा चैतन्य महाप्रभु जोठी समस्त पठे की करिसंती मंदिर करूछंती पास टाइम प्लेस उद्धार करूछंती बही लेखौछंती एवं ए सब तीर्थ स्थान उद्धार करूछंती Our idea was to write his essays in the peaceful spiritual atmosphere of Vrindavan and to commute to Delhi to distribute his literature and seek donations from respectable patrons. तो प्रभुपाद चाहिए एबे शांतशिष्ट एनवायरनमेंट को गले प्रभुपाद भले लिखि परिबे एवं से लोक मान को जाई कि विषय रे कहि परिबे स्पिरिचुअल एटमॉस्फेयर वृंदावन विषय कहि परिबे बही भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर परिबे दिल्ली He took a simple, very inexpensive room in Bansi Gopalji temple located on the bank of Jamuna, and there he entered the special quality of life in Vrindavan. So एबे भारे प्रभुपाद तापरे वृंदावन रे ए बंसी गोपालजी मंदिर रे जाके प्रथम रहिबा स्टार्ट करंती एबे भारे मागो उतर पडियो परे अभय डिड नॉट सी वृंदावन माने अभयंकर चक्षु रे वृंदावन नामटा केमतिया सेटा में कंटिन्यू करियो जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय गौर भक्त वृंद की जय तबरे हमें धाम दर्शन देखिबा नेक्स्ट जगह
There is called Soshti Pujo. After 6 days,
डार्थर में जाइतले
Hanuman ji ki jai.
important place Radha Govinda Mandira. Jodi Prabhupada, Vinay Dini Jav. राधा गोविंद मंदिर एंट्रेंस করছি আমি बहुत सुंदर कोर्टयार्ड है लेफ्ट साइड ওটা গরুড়া यूनिक देखिए भाई
This is a very divine place. Where we are standing, this is the place where Srila Prabhupada, from his childhood, with his father and mother, he used to come. And he used to pray here with his whole family. This is none other than the Radha Govinda temple of Malliks. All over Prabhupada Lilamrita in the beginning and Prabhupada conversation, Prabhupada speaks about these deities. Even in our Calcutta temple, ISKCON temple, Prabhupada named the deity is as Radha Govinda because he loves this Radha Govinda. Here you can take darshan of Radharani's lotus feet throughout the year. Very merciful. Prabhupada says that this is the courtyard where his spiritual life has started. Now we all know that Prabhupada is actually coming from the spiritual world. It is his humility that he is saying that his spiritual life has started from here. And another astonishing thing happened. The first Rath Yatra of his life as little Abhay, he started from this courtyard. And just for all of your pleasure, our first Rath Yatra of ISKCON also started from this courtyard. So this is a very significant place, very divine place that we are here in Kolkata Dham. This Yatra, Kartik Yatra, 125th year of Srila Prabhupada appearance. We are taking darshan of Radha Govinda and Balaram Revati. We are all praying for all of you, for our spiritual upliftment, spiritual life, happy Krishna conscious life, and our well-being and good health. Let us all pray for Shri Radha Govinda. I am going to pray for all of you. Please be with me. Let us all pray.
মেয়েদের একটু অসুবিধা। This Radha Govinda deity is very old deity of the Mallik family. I think not less than 200 years ago, this deity was established by the mother of Kashinath Mallik. I think he might have right. Another Kashin, original Kashinath Mallik. I think his father's name was Gaur Mohan Mallik. Am I right? Chittadar. No, the Kashinath Mallik's father. So, gradually, this whole quarters belong to this Malik family. Still, in front of this temple there is Bangal building. That is also the property of Radha Govinda. And as I have shown you coming, our house was just behind the present Govinda Bhavan. And we had the opportunity of seeing this Radha Govinda from very childhood. When I was 3 or 4 years old, I used to visit this Radha Govinda daily. And that is the inspiration of my devotional life. Then I asked my father that give me Radha Govinda deity, I shall worship. So my father was also Vaishnava. He gave me a small Radha Govinda deity. I was worshipping in my house. Whatever I was eating, I was offering. And I was following the ceremonies of this Radha Govinda with my small deity. That deity is still existing. I have given to my sister. So, then I introduced Ratha Yatra. So, my Ratha Yatra was being performed very gloriously. My father used to spend money. In those days, 10 rupees, 20 rupees was sufficient. I hired one Kirtan party and a small friends there, I think the brother of the present generation, and there was another Dev family here. So we performed this Ratha Yatra ceremony. According to our children's imagination, it was very gorgeous. So I think our present Monman, his name is Gabud Baba, Dadamosai, Gopeshwar Mallik. Gopeshwar Mallik was my father's friend. So he was criticizing my father that you are performing Ratha Yatra ceremony and you are not inviting us. So my father said, these children play, what shall I invite you? You are a very big man. So, you are avoiding. In the name of children, you are avoiding us. On the whole, the Ratha Yatra festival was very gorgeously. Then imitating me, the other, my brother like Kenglu, he also introduced Ratha Yatra and Kenglu. So all of them introduced Ratha Yatra and the destination was this Thakurwadi from there. So practically what I am doing now, the same thing. Radha Krishna worship and introduction of Ratha Yatra. I am not doing anything else. You know very well. We are now performing Ratha Yatra ceremony practically in all big cities of the world. In San Francisco, in Philadelphia, London, Melbourne, Australia, Paris. So the same thing. The same Radha Krishna worship temples and same Ratha Yatra in a bigger scale. But the same thing was begun as play from this quarter, this Thakurwadi. So anyway, this Thakurwadi, Radha Govinda ji, in my life, that is the beginning of my the spiritual life. And after so many years, still Radha Govinda ji has dragged me. So it is his kindness So, the beginning was the same thing, worship of Radha Krishna deity and introduction of Rathayatra. That is, I am doing in a bigger scale and a wider scale all over the world. So, there is nothing new.
Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada